Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. Are you confused about when to use multiple choices as compared to single choice? Let me break it down for you. Single choice means respondent picks one answer only, perfect for quizzes like personality scoring or when you need definitive data. For example, you have a question, are you interested in joining our next event? So it's either yes, maybe, or no, rather than more than one options. Whereas multiple choice lets you user select multiple answers, great for preferences surveys, or select all that apply scenario. Like question number one, what can we do to improve? Here you can select multiple choices selection by turning this feature on and select multiple choices. The key difference is single choice makes segmentation cleaner, while multiple choice gives you richer data but more complex logic. For lead generations, single choice typically converts better because it's faster to complete. Choose based on your goal. Now that you know which question type drives the results you need, let's start creating quizzes accordingly. Still have any questions? Just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with lead quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.